mega love shoutout. Gusto ko lang sanang batiin si Ren sa kanyang special day. Happy birthday! I wish you all the best. Enjoy your life. Enjoy life. Yan. Lagi lang tayo magsaya. So, Whitey. Kanta-kanta. Happy birthday. Thank you sa friendship. Ayun, kakantahan na lang kita kasi wala na akong masabi. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ingat lang palagi. Ingatan ang kalusugan. Keep safe always. Diba meron akong happy birthday. Kantahan na lang kita. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Mwah, chup chup. Happy birthday, Rams, Sister Rams. Ingat palagi.
It's your birthday, hooray! 생일 축하합니다.
Happy birthday, Sissy Rams. Bago pa lang kita nakilala sa White magsi 6 months ka pa lang pala eh. Yan, sana mamuni ka na para makabawi-bawi sa'yo. Yan, thank you. Nakilala kita sa White World. Kanino ba kita nakilala? Kay Gian ata, no? Yan, happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday. Yan. So, happy birthday again. Wala pa akong ibang masabi kasi bago pa lang tayo magkakilala. Gusto ko lang bumati ng happy birthday. Yan. More birthday to come and good health. Okay. Sarang hayo. Ang pangit ng heart. Ayun.
Happy birthday! Ayan, it's nice na nakilala kita. Napaka-supportive na ate ko mula umpisa hanggang dulo ng Elis ko. Nandiyan ka. Sana maging masaya ka yung araw na rin. Tatawa ko sa'yo kasi sabi sa nagpangalan ka ng media may ula Joan po. Kala ko naman kung sino. Pag-tingin ko ikaw pala. Ayun, ate, salamat sa pag-appreciate sa akin sa lahat. Tapos gusto mo kapag yung opinion ko, yung pagpangalan ko sa magiging bago mong pangalan, na-appreciate mo. Sana lagi kang mag-iingat, happy-happy lang tayo, don't stress yourself, lalo malayo ka sa family mo, nandiyan ka mag-isa sa Hong Kong. Just one chat away, nandito lang si Ola para sa'yo. Love you, ate. Happy birthday.
Hello everyone! Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening po sa inyo lahat. Ayan, meron tayong babatiin ngayong araw na ito ang ating kaibigan, ang ating ate dito sa Wifey World. Ayan, Ate Rams, happy birthday. Ayan, good health always. Wishing you all the best and more success in life. At sana maging masaya ka sa araw na ito. At ayun, salamat. Thank you at nakilala kita, Ate Rams, dahil isa ka sa very supportive na YouTuber sa Whitey World. Ayan, at lagi ka nandyan na nakasupport sa amin. Ayan, thank you so much. Happy birthday ulit, and ayan, God bless you and more years to come. So enjoy lang. God bless. I love you. Ingat ka lagi.
Happy birthday nga pala dito sa kaibigan ko si Rems. Hello Rems, happy birthday sa iyo at palagi ka mag-ingat dyan at thank you sa always support, napaka-supportive nitong taon na ito, so sana magtuloy-tuloy lang yung pag-wawainti mo at huwag kang susuko at nandito lang kami nakasuporta sa iyo. Happy birthday sa iyo at palagi kang mag-iingat. Happy birthday.
Out the crowd, highest day making never define.
Baby, I want to show you how. Come on. You know that we've waited long enough, and now it's time. Forevermore. That's what friends are for.
Thank you so much, everyone. Ria 5, shoutout sa inyo dyan. Guaps Channel. Alright.
Kamusta ka na kahit wag nang sagutin? Di ba nawala ang kitab ng bituin? Sana ganon kang maparin. Come on! But if you're raining in Manila, hindi kita maririnig. Nagkahiga mag-isang nanginginig sa I'll be waiting. Tumatago sa isipan ko ang iyong ganda. Matatamis mong mga ngiti ay siyang bumubuhay sa puso ko. Puso ko nanging sa'yo, magpahanggang wakas para sa'yo lang.
You will think that I won't be a broken heart in me.
I wanted to be you. Happy birthday, Ate and Sammy. Hope you enjoy your day. That's where we were together. It made a dream come true. I had only one friend left. I wanted to be you. Someone who understands me and knows me inside out, and helps keep me together and believes without a doubt that I can move a mountain. Someone to tell it to. If I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you. And Ate Ram's one of her favorite songs. Abay, umakit ka dito mamaya. Gusto